Honourable Justice Mlambo is a veteran of the South African legal system. Over the last 30 years, he has distinguished himself as a legal authority. And as a former chairperson of Legal Aid South Africa, he has extensive experience in establishing and managing a legal aid system. His name is among the 4 candidates who were shortlisted by a panel chaired by Judge Novatheng Pillay after public nominations which were invited by President Cyril Ramaphosa. They are Honourable Judge of the Constitutional Court of Appeal Judge Mandisa Maya, Honourable President of the Supreme Court of Appeal Vuyiseli Madlanga, and Acting Chief Justice Raymond Zondo. Honourable Judge Mlambo spent considerable time in the Labour Court as Acting Judge and then as Judge President. He was particularly critical of the practice of labour brokering, which deprives employees of labour law protection. In November 2012, former President Jacob Zuma appointed Mlambo as Judge President of the Gauteng Division of the High Court. One of Mlambo's most notable cases was in the 2014 Oscar Pistorius murder trial. Despite the defence team's objections, Mlambo ruled that the entire trial proceedings may be broadcast live via audio and that parts of the trial may be broadcast live via television. The parts that he permitted to be broadcast audiovisually were the opening and closing arguments, the testimony of consenting state witnesses, the judgment and the sentencing of Pistorius. The ruling was welcomed by members of the South African media who described it as a groundbreaking decision supporting freedom of expression, freedom of the media, open justice and democracy. When he took office as Judge President more than a decade ago, Mlambo vowed to improve access to justice for all. Should he be appointed as Chief Justice, this may likely be his continued focus. However, it's not going to be a walk in the park, as he has to face grilling from the Judicial Service Commission and parties in the National Assembly. Saya van der Walt Potgieter, SABC News, Johannesburg.